So I was able to successfully complete our program for the elevator system with priority. And I just wanted to show you just a quickly what I've done. I've also added some LEDs and switch buttons for that. It's basically the same thing like just like you saw it last time. Oops. So I wanted to go down and then show you this guy because I know last time it was there. Yeah, this guy. So we have an LED when it is ascending and when it's descending, as well as an LED when the system is on, is off, or it is powered. By default, when the system is powered, that means when it has energy, when we press the start button, this is going to be on, or throughout, unless we press the stop button or there is no power. Okay. And last but not least, I expect I'm around that. Last but not least, we have these alert lamps, I think that's what they call them. But basically, they are used here. They act as my doors. Since oops, what did I do there? Okay, so since not chair portals, factory IO doesn't have like doors and there's no way to model or add them. So in place of doors, I put this lamp here, which basically lights whenever this elevator switch a certain floor. Whenever this floor is, well, that is when the target floor is because the current floor, right? So the elevator will stop on that particular floor and the door open. So rather than that door opening, this will be the animation for door opening. This will get on. Okay, so I've done that. So now let's make it run. I'll need to put it in such a way that you're able to see all floors. Let me try and adjust it. Okay, I want to believe this will be good enough for us to see two floors. The third floor might be hidden due to the video, so I'll just test for floors 0, 1, and 3 since I'm this same line here. So I'm going to take my PLC again. I could use this guy, but just to show you guys because I want to be really quick. So I'm going to press run. When I press run, the sensor is on, so I'm going to press the start button. Once I press the start button, as you can see, it was powered, so this was to be on. Okay, good. Maybe I should try and show you that again. See here, it's off. Although it's going to maintain the state of that, the on state. So if I press run and I come here, okay. Oh, I was not sure. So over here, this is system powered. We have system on and system off. So the system is powered right now because we have pressed run. The system is powered, and so you need to explicitly press the start button. The start button is at this address. So when I press, you see the start button is now on, and therefore we can set operations. So if I press now to, I want to show a priority, and let me just first of all show you what happens when I press. When I wish to flow one, what happens? Trying to press. Okay, pressed it. So it's going to wait 5 seconds in case there are any other requests. If not, it's going to go to flow 1. Now once it reaches flow 1, it stops there and the light shines. Alright, so now that that's dealt with, I want now to show you the priority. So I want to go to floor 0 and then floor 3. But if someone presses floor 3 and floor 0, the elevator needs to go to floor 3 first before going to floor 0. Of which floor 0 is much closer to floor 1 because currently we're at floor 1. So the priority will be that each elevator needs to go down to floor 0 before going and to floor 3. So this is my request for floor 3, this is for floor 0. I could use this also for clarity, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to press 3, that's it, and then 0. That's it. So now, since I pressed 3 first, you might be thinking it will go up, but instead it goes down to floor 0. There you go, the door is open, so it shines. And once it's done there, let me see. I want to move up before it goes up there because I want you to see as it shines. So you see, it goes now right to floor 3, which means priority has been set. And as you can see, this lamp is on. And in case you're thinking that I've meshed things around, this is just to show you. So this is get to floor 0 is address 0, get to floor 1 is address 1. Let me show you address 1, address 2, address 3. So as you can see, the address are not messed up. If you press I24.3, it gets you to floor 3, just like this on my PLC for tier portals. Alright, so as you can see, priority has been set, and we have added some other nice things to ensure that the code runs well. And so in the next video, I'm going to try and elaborate and explain how I did all of this. And before the next video, I'll do my best to place in the description a link to this file and also the PLC program, that is this whole program will be put into a file in the next video. So make sure you tune into the next video. Please subscribe, I guess, in order not to miss out on this video, so you can get the link to this program and also the structure of factory. And well, till then, hopefully by next week you'll get that, but stay in touch.